Hi guys, this is Björn from Hyfindr, again reporting from China. I have the honor to visit a good friend, Dalin Hu, from the company H-Ray in Shanghai, and he will introduce his great company to us. Okay, Dalin,
Yeah.
what are you doing here? Please explain it to our audience.
Okay. First of all, thank you. Thank you from Shanghai. Here is our Shanghai Cherry office. Please go through this office and then you will see what we are doing here. Yeah. I think we are doing major like a PAM, from the MEA here, stack, and the systems, and then we have the purchase department, and the system department, my office, general manager office, and our team here. And please go inside. And this is our system department, and here is our sales department, and some financial, quality, and the manufacturer, the headquarter office here, and the meeting room. Let's go to our meeting room and have a look. And
For all the big meetings.
yeah. Yeah.
So this is where all the decisions take place. Look outside here. We are here in Shanghai, and we will now go to the factory of H-Ray and see where the magic happens.
Yeah.
So let's go a little bit deeper with Dalin. Dalin,
Yes.
what type of products do you have? Please explain.
Okay. You can see here we have the MEA. This is a real MEA. It's a roll-to-roll MEA. It's like a white. The white is 400 millimeters, and the long we can do in like 100 meters long, and then cut each piece and then make a real MEA. You can see the internal have membrane, and one side is anode side, one side is cathode side. This is a real MEA. The active surface is 2,000 square centimeters, and this is a titanium filter. It's a real one, also a real one, and then this is bipolar plate. And then if you put this together, and then you can make one single cell. And then you put more single cell, you can make one stack, like here. Yeah. And this is one key component we call PAM stack. And then you put a PAM stack in, for example, this machine, because it's a cabinet machine from the 3 cubic meter to 10 cubic meter, just like a fridge size. And then if you want a big size, we say the containerized systems from 50 to 500 cubic meter per hour for hydrogen. And then they show our some examples from the 2023 to 2025, several examples field projects. Yeah.
Okay, and now we have the luxury to get to know the inner heart of the company H-Ray. So let's go inside now.
你好，第301区内。Please step into the induction area.
We can leave now.
推临完毕，请从后门退出。Operation is completed. Please aim to the max.
So Dalin, what do we have here?
We have two very big roll-to-roll machine for MEA. This is our design, our own design. You can see all this MEA made by this gold oxide material. I cut this, and then the membrane they go through, and they get each of membrane. One side like the cathode side, one side is anode side.
What is the production capacity daily?
Oh, this one daily they can do like 1 megawatt per day. But normally we don't have this kind of enough order. But we do like once a week to production. Yeah, once a week.
So they can scale up depending on the demand.
Yeah. Please go here. We have another machine for our small scale. Here. Yes. We have another machine is for the 300 square centimeter every this machine. This is our we call it our generation 1. This is our generation 2. Yeah. Right. It's Friday evening, so people already get out of the factory. This is like a cutting machine, a checking machine, scan machine, and it like make the holes for each of membranes, and then the and then here in this factory they have a careful employees, yeah, and all automatic, and then this is doing the titanium filter. At the middle, you can see they have the models here for titanium filter, and this for small scale testing or some big here. They have all the diameter, all the size.
Very clean setup.
Yeah, everyone think, yeah.
But normally it's much more busy.
Yeah, much more busy. If we come to the Monday, there will be more people. But the Friday, sorry, it's already 5. We have this room called the PVD. It's like a coating for platinum on the titanium filter and the titanium with titanium filter. And maybe I make open one. They will coating in this one. Coating for this titanium filter. Yeah.
So this is worth a lot.
Yeah, this is worth a lot. Yeah. I don't know. Sorry, they're already closed. Yeah. But you see, they have factory here. Yeah. And then we have assembly line in the outside.
So let's go put it together.
This is the cooling device for 100 cubic meter systems. This is from our supplier. Then there are the 2 cabinet machine for power plant cutter. Already in December. This is our testing base here. With this kind of plastic, this is what's that? This is the small stack and the big stack. Yeah.
What power do these?
This one is like this is 3 cubic meter, means 15 kilowatt stack.
But they can go much bigger.
Yeah, much bigger. This one is a bigger one, just up.
It is a big one.
It's load plate, and then they will install longer. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. This is the one for our 10 cubic meter systems, whole all-in-one design. That means stack will be here, and all BOP and the control room. Yeah. So whole everything in one container. Customer only give the power, AC power, and the water. They can work. The fuel and the works.
So you're building not only products but real solutions.
Yeah, real solution.
Yeah, great.